Number 31. What is the length of the plastic tubes protruding from Hercules cups used for underground blast? A. 4.8 meter, B. 7.2 meter, C. 10 meters, or D. 1 meter. And the correct answer is letter B. 7.2 meters. 32. What is the purpose of blast hole millisecond delays? Letter A. To increase the diameter of blast holes. Letter B. To decrease the delay time. Letter C. To provide delay intervals for individual blast holes. Or D. To eliminate the need for detonating cord. And the correct answer is letter C, which is to provide delay intervals for individual blast hole, because blast hole millisecond delays are used to create specific delay periods for each blast hole in a blasting sequence. And number 33. What is the range of delay timings for millisecond delays? A. 1 to 10 seconds, B. 25 to 1000 milliseconds, C. 5 to 50 milliseconds, or letter D. 100 to 500 microseconds. And the answer is letter B. 25 to 1000 milliseconds. Number 34. How is a safety fuse connected to a common cup? A. Welded, B. Screwed, C. Crimped, or D. Glued. And the correct answer is letter C. It is crimped. 35. What is the primary function of a safety fuse in a common cup? A. It is to increase detonation velocity, B. To prevent detonation, C. To ignite the base charge, or D. To provide waterproofing. And the correct answer is letter C, to ignite the base charge, because the safety fuse in a common cup is used to ignite the base charge, initiating the detonation process. Number 36. What is the oldest and simplest type of blasting cap? A. Fuse caps, B. Solid pack electric blasting caps, or letter C. Match type blasting caps, or letter D. Exploding bridge wire detonators. And the answer is letter A. Fuse caps. Number 37. What is the primary source of energy used for initiating electric detonators in blasting operations? A. Blasting machines, B. Batteries, C. Electricity network, or D. All of the above. And the correct answer is letter A. Blasting machines, because they provide the necessary electrical current in controlled manner to reliably fire the detonators. Number 38. What is the core component of a master cable in a sequential blasting machine? A. 10 terminal pairs, B. 12 wires, C. 15 circuits, or D. 20 connectors. And the correct answer is letter B. 12 wires. Number 39. What is the function of the circuit tester, blasting galvanometer in a sequential blasting system? A. To measure the energy output of the blasting machine. Letter B. To check the resistance of the different circuits. Or letter C. To test the detonators for continuity. Or letter D. To ensure proper connection of the circuits. And the correct answer is letter B. To check the resistance of the different circuits. Number 40. How many different outputs can a series of detonators with 12 numbers achieve in a multiple blast scenario with 6 circuits? A. 36, B. 48, C. 60, or D. 72. And the correct answer is D. 72. Number 41. What is the purpose of the shunt and electric blasting caps? A. To protect the cap from accidental firing by stray currents. B. To provide a path for the electric current to flow through the caps. Or letter C. To create a delay before detonation. Or letter D. To connect the blasting machine to the detonators. And the correct answer is letter A, which is to protect the cap from accidental firing by stray currents, because the Shunt in electric blasting cap is a short circuit that connects the legs wire. It helps protect the cap from being accidentally fired by stray electrical currents before it is connected to the firing circuit. Number 42. What is the minimum firing current required for electric blasting caps to ensure reliable detonation? A. 0.15 amps, B. 0.25 amps, letter C. 0.35 amps, or letter D. 0.45 amps. So, ang correct answer kay letter B, which is the 0.25 amps, because it is to ensure reliable detonation. Lower currents may result in misfires. Number 43. Why is it crucial to test the blasting circuit resistance before firing a shot? A. To ensure all caps will fire with sufficient current. B. To prevent false contacts or open circuits. Or C. To check the continuity of the firing line. And the answer is, or D. All of the above. And the answer is silang tanan, all of the above. Number 44. What is the primary role of delay times between blast holes and blasting operations? A. To increase the charge weight per hole. B. To reduce vibration levels. C. To enhance rock displacement. Or D. To improve self-drilling. And the answer is letter C. To enhance rock displacement. Number 45. How do delay times impact fly rock generation in blasting? A. Increase fly rack. B. Decrease fly rack. C. No effect on fly rack. Or D. Unpredictable fly rack. So the correct answer is letter B, which is to decrease the fly rack, because proper delay times help decrease fly rack generation by ensuring that the energy release is controlled and directed towards the intended rock mass, reducing the risk of rock fragments being ejected uncontrollably. Number 46. Detonators are used to initiate the blast. What type of detonators are commonly used in modern-day blasting operations? A. Electronic detonators. B. Electric detonators. C. Non-electric detonators. Or D. Delay detonators. And the correct answer is letter D. Delay detonators. Because delay detonators are virtually always used in modern-day blasting operations. Number 47. In what scenarios are down-the-hole delays commonly used? A. To provide a constant delay time. B. To avoid using surface delays. Or C. To control the firing sequence of blast holes. Or D. To increase the detonation pressure. And the correct answer for this one is letter C. To control the firing sequence of the blast holes. Number 48. What is the purpose of using delay detonators in blasting operations? A. To increase the speed of detonation. B. To reduce the cost of explosives. Or C. To control the timing and sequence of detonations. Or D. To simplify the blasting process. And the correct answer is letter C, which is to control the timing and sequence of detonations. Number 49. What is the primary difference between lead and short lead shock tube delay detonators? A. The length of the shock tube. B. The delay time. C. The type of explosive used. Or D. The method of initiation. And the correct answer is A. The length of the shock tube. Number 50. What type of explosive is typically used with shock tube delay systems? A. ANFO. B. Dynamite. C. Emulsion. Or D. Slurry. Ang correct answer kay C. Emulsion, because the passage does not specify the type of explosive typically used with shock tube delay systems. More information would be needed to determine the correct answer. But based on this, ang answer jud is ang letter C, emulsion.